You are going to love the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, leather seats, speed proportional power steering, heated passenger seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.